Okay, my name is Anthony Zeko. I'll be demonstrating with 3 cse341 assignments. We have the user routes. First of all, my link is a published link, career data te13.com. So that's what I'll be using to test using the Swagger documentation endpoint. And so I'll start by getting all the users available. Let's try this out. Get all the users available and we execute. So let's see, we have about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 users available. And so I'm going to check the database for users. Let's see how many users we have. So we have 1 to 6, we have about 6 users here too. So everything is good. We'll go back to get the user by ID. So I want to get rid of the copy ID. And so I have to go back. Let me leave all users, get user by ID. We have this here. Or let me do this, impute the ID, try it out. Impute the ID. And then I execute. I'm going to say with a backup in a minute. Yes, that is with a backup. So it works. So I want to get a new user. Okay, let me update something for with a backup. I'll just update something with a backup. So let's try it out since I still have an ID. I still have an ID, so we'll just use ID or true. Okay, so if we go back, we'll see our first name is Rita Baker. So I'm going to change the first name from Rita to, let's assume she doesn't like a name anymore. And so we change it to Tina. So we should be saying Tina Baker now, from Rita Baker to Tina Baker. So we change the first name and then we execute. Okay, so let me remove the comma. So let's execute this. Okay, so I'm going to check the database for Rita Baker. Just refresh this users. Let's Rita Baker. Yes, so we now have Tina Baker instead of Rita Baker. And so I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back to, so let's delete Rita Baker, Tina Baker. Let's delete. Users want to delete, try it out. Okay, so we just do this, execute. So it's going to give me a message that it's successful deleted. So let's check if we see Tina Baker. So we're going to refresh this, and we have Wayne Rand, we have Dixon, we have Erica Lopez, any John James, Rita Baker. So it has been successfully deleted. We go back, and now we want to post, we want to create. So I want to replace Rita Baker, and so I'm going to post. I'll create a new post for the user. So first name I'll just Rita. We miss her. So we'll try it out. Yeah. And so we need Rita Baker. We want to Rita. We want her back. Baker. A password, I just use a combination of her names to make it easy to remember because we're going to hash the password will be hash. Let's say she's quite young, 12th June 1999. Rita Baker, she should be from the United States of America. We'll just use her initials for the email, rob@example.com. We'll just say she should be a female. And her phone number should have a lot of ones. Okay, so we execute. So let's see what message we get here. Sorry, I think we executed that. Let me see if it's shown up here. I'll execute again. So users, we have her now. We copy car. Yes, we have actually 23. Yes, I will be at example 1999. A lot of ones in the phone. Okay, so we'll go back. And now for the validation and error handling, let's see. Assuming we want to create another, let's say, Tony Baker. So all of these are required. Let's say we did not impute the password or the phone. They're all required. So our validation should work. So let's execute this now. There's no phone number. So let's see what we get. Okay, I think I can see some error done. Please provide the phone number. So yes, data validation because it's status of 400. So we have to fill all fields. And let's copy our post. Let's also try for the put request. So let's try for the put request. Okay, let's try it for the new Rita Baker. So come here. Let's copy our ID. So we have our ID here. So copy ID. I'll come back here. So let's try to put. We want to put. This is the ID, the new ID. Yes. So we want to put with something that does not exist. We don't have language. We don't have language. So we don't have language in the fields. So I want to update language. Let's say language is French. Yeah, so let's execute that and see what we get. So when we execute that, we have unexpected fields provided language French. Yes, so the validation work and the status 400, the error was probably arbitrary using track hash. Okay, so we'll just replicate what we have done for users for career. So it's basically the same thing. Let's get all careers. For now, I think we just have one. So we use it judiciously. We execute it. So we have the ID. So the idea is that a user should be linked to a career. So the career is an ID that's going to copy. So we'll copy it. We have all of this. Okay, so we are going to the career. We can get the career by its ID. It's just one. For one of them, I want to go through that, but it's basically the same. Okay, I can just do that. Let me just do it. Command V. So we execute and see that saying yes, it is. And so we can update it. Currently, it has. I want to reduce this. I want to add data analysis to the skills. I want to add data analysis to the skills. And so we can just come to put career ID, and we try it out. And so I don't need all of this. I don't need all of this. I just want to update the skills. Okay, so oh, don't worry, I'll just say AWS. Where are we? We are here. Okay, so I'll just do this AWS. So I can start this thing. Okay, for some reason, it's trying to be solved, but I've added AWS. So this updates the career. What is the problem? Say ID is not provided. Okay, ID is not provided. So much in a hurry. It's on the car. Was it? No, that was not a paper. That was the career. So yes, so let's check in the database. We have careers. Now we have first keys, which we have the videos. Yes, all everything works properly. And so I can delete it. I can say bye to this. So I'll just copy. I have the ID. Just put the ID. Try it out. I'll put the ID and I execute it. Should have a message that has been deleted. So let's check remove the career and call it back. There is no, and so we have to replace it by creating a new post. New post request. So post careers, I create that and so I just user ID. I need to pick a user that already exists. So I can come back here. Let me just pick a user from we have users here. So the user ID of John James. So John James will be the owner of this career information. So we go back. So the user ID will be that user ID. Okay. So I'm going to put this here, and that's the user ID. Then the education, I can just say the software engineer. This keys should be an array. So I just put an array. And so we have, let's say DevOps, let's say QA. And then it's employed, let's say it's looking for a job. So, okay, let's just say true. And what company is he working for? Let's assume he was employed at BYU. Okay, so we go like so. And then we have this, yes, this is good, I think. Let's see the response. Okay, so yes, so I can check to confirm in the database, there is a career now. Let's go back and see. This was successful. Okay, so let's just maybe need some time to update. Yes, we have it. We have it. That was very okay. So now, so this validation exists. We can check. Let's go back. We can check. I can remove all of this. I want to create a. Let's say yes, I'm creating this for. Let me just change the MongoDB. Yeah, let me just do this and see. Okay, so it has to be JSON. Okay, I think that's because of this. So let me try again. See. Okay, so we get the response. There are errors. A valid user ID. User ID is supposed to be MongoDB. The feeds, application feed is not there. Feed is not there. Other feeds are not there. You cannot read. Yeah, so they're not complete. So the error on the validation works. It's the same for the post for the put. Well, we can try to put an empty. Just put this will be empty. We can hit it and see. Okay, that'll be so we need to copy the ID. We need to copy this ID. Don't want this to take so much time, but it's just the same thing with what we did with Jesus. So if it works with one, it works with the other, but I just have to make sure I don't lose any points. Yes, so we'll see the error message of at least one feature updated. So this validation works, the error only works status of 400. Okay, so we'll go to the GitHub repository, this career database project, and you will not find my node modules here. You will not find my environmental files here. But if you go to Swagger, sorry, if you go to render, you see that my secrets are stored in the environmental variables. Thank you, and God bless you. Hopefully this is not too long. Okay.